These roasted sweet potatoes are anything but boring. They're packed with 8 bold spices, a hint of honey, and crispy edges. Start by rinsing your sweet potatoes under running water and then patting them dry with some paper towels. You can peel your sweet potatoes if you want, but I'm leaving the skins on for this recipe to save on time. Once you're done rinsing, grab your cutting board and a knife. Place your sweet potato on your cutting board, cut off the edges, and then begin cutting your sweet potatoes into cubes. They should be about 3/4 to 1 inch in size. Once you're done cutting, add all of your sweet potatoes into a bowl or large bag. Add 2 tablespoons of oil. I'm using avocado oil here, but you can use whichever oil you prefer. Add 1 tablespoon of honey. For our seasonings, we're using 2 teaspoons smoked paprika, 2 teaspoons garlic powder, 2 teaspoons chili powder, 1 teaspoon onion powder, 1 teaspoon ground cumin, half a teaspoon ground cinnamon, 1 teaspoon salt, half a teaspoon black pepper, and a 1/4 teaspoon cayenne pepper that is optional. Mix everything together until all of your sweet potato pieces are fully coated in the oil and seasonings. Preheat your oven on 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Take out a baking sheet and line it with some parchment paper. Add your sweet potato cubes to the baking sheet and do the best that you can to spread them so they're not touching each other. Bake them on 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 25 to 35 minutes. After about halfway, you can take them out of the oven and flip the pieces around so they cook evenly. Place them back in the oven and let them finish cooking for the remaining time. Once they're done baking, remove them from the oven, and you're set to serve your roasted sweet potatoes. It's a healthy and versatile side that pairs well with your favorite main dish. You can store any leftovers in an airtight container for up to 5 days in the fridge. Use the oven or air fryer when reheating for the best texture results. Thank you everyone for watching. Please consider liking the video and subscribing to the channel for more healthy recipes every week.